At the moment we can't, because we've got a really small stuff. The volume that we require is quite huge. So at the moment we've got time. Now we can have this in various different types of metal. Stainless steel, we can have it in base metals like brass or nickel, which we then produce silver plated or electroplated items from. So you can see that, well, it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that, it's gorgeous. Ready for Valentine's Day. We can get creative with these sometimes. They are beautiful things. They are little works of art in their own right with it. So therefore, we take orders of batches of silver from customers, and we put them through all at the same time to save time messing with the machine there. We take the flat sheet of steel and push it into that. Our most famous design. And you can see that by that long, elegant handle there. And it's almost a bit like a fork, actually, without the tines cut in it. You are effectively damaging the structure of that material. As you're rolling it and you get towards the edges, if it's short, what happens? Do you find it splits a bit to the edges? Yeah, absolutely, or cracks and you have to patch it up and things like that. It's kind of the same thing with metal, really, to be honest with you, because the metal is doing exactly the same thing. It's buckling against the pressure that you're putting onto it. So to think that the designer, the maker, the craftsperson that made these for us to our design specifications has hammered this and tooled it and filed it all by hand to create something that is so perfect that it's, in its lifetime, it's not only going to withstand the amount of pressure that we want to put onto that, but it will create hundreds of thousands of perfectly formed pieces of flatware. So this beautiful structure that we have here, it's about taking ownership in what you're making and being part of that as well. So they know every part of the process, they can be moved about, and they never get sort of repetitive strain injuries or dissatisfaction. They might tell you different. But no, it's important to have a happy workforce. It's quite special, and it's not just the things that maybe recently in Harrogate or York or in 20 minutes to polish a piece. It's fantastic, isn't it? Oh look, hand it round, see what you think. And that's prime. That's called a butler finish. But when they come off the machines here, they don't tend to look like that. But this is what the gloves tend to look a bit more like afterwards, because these are white to begin with, aren't they? Best gloves. So when you buy it, nobody's touched it. That's fine. And there's little traditions. Bear in mind, we've probably spent about 12 hours per piece on these.